Hey guys, this is Futureboy and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you and I will teach you OpenCV. Okay, so I will start with OpenCV tutorial. This is the first tutorial of OpenCV. In previous tutorial I will teach you how to create a face recognition with OpenCV and Python. So the previous video was 30 minutes and I will completely teach you how to create this. If you want to see this video, go on my YouTube channel Futureboy and then grab this video. Oh. Okay, so if you want to learn OpenCV, please subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel and don't waste our time. Let's do it. Firstly, open a ideally Python ideally, man. And after opening ideally, create a new file, and after creating file, go on file and then save this file. I'm saving with OpenCV. Save it on where you want to save. I want to save on desktop, then save it. Okay, so this program was saved. Now first thing you will do in this program is import. And what you import cv2 and import numpy. Okay, what the hell is this, man? You don't know about OpenCV and import system. I recommended you go and firstly know about what is import system in Python. But you don't know about, don't worry, I will teach you. So what is import? Import is like importing something like in Python program, mini modules installed. How to install modules I will teach you in later, but import system is like you install a cv2. So cv2 installed in your Python packages, and in Python packages you want to import cv2. Okay, so importing is import your file. Okay, like import, export, not export, like import. So this was importing. I hope you little bit know about import system. Okay, so don't worry about import system, main thing is program. Okay, but you want to know about importing system detailed, then go and google it, man. So how to, what is this cv2? So cv2 is a OpenCV. You say this OpenCV because you importing OpenCV, so this is short form called cv2. Okay, and this is numpy. Numpy uses for matrices, mathematical. Okay, and cv2 is for image analysis and video analysis. So how to install it, because he was not pre-installed with coming with Python. Okay, so how to install it? Firstly, hit a start button and type cmd, enter, and you want to install, then type pip install cv2. I'm already installed it. So firstly you install this, then come here. Okay, then how to install numpy? Open cmd and type pip. Okay, pip install, okay, numpy. Okay, so I already installed also this. After installing, import cv2 and import numpy, like this. Import cv2, import numpy. After installing, this was done. Okay, so what we will do in this program, so we will create a small program who open a image with cv2 with OpenCV. Okay, so how we will do this? Like this image, I want to open this image with OpenCV. Okay, so how we'll do this? Firstly, we create a variable. I am creating you want to name a variable, any name you want to do. So I am name this img equal type 2 strings, and in a strings which image you want to open with OpenCV. Like I want to open this image, so right click on there and click on properties and copy this path. Okay, so I will copy it with ctrl+c, control C, and also you'll see this extension is .jpg. Okay, so okay, and file name is 3. So open, and in under string paste this path. After paste, take a slash and type file name 3 and after 3 type .jpg extension. So in Python and in OpenCV, you not give her 1/, you give her 2/. Okay, 2/. This is recommended, man. Okay, sorry. So this is done. This program is done, because we will do a img path. We will give our img which image I want to open with OpenCV. So I will give her full path. Okay, after giving full path, we create another variable, and you want to name with you want to give any name. You want to do any name like this, whatever you want to. So I am taking give here img1, then equal sign, and after equal sign type cv2.imread, and after imread type img1. So what is this, man? So img1, you know this is a variable. cv2, you also know this. cv2 is importing OpenCV. Dot is cv2.imread. In cv2, in OpenCV, a function called imread. And what imread will do imread will doing is reading your image. Okay, this image was stored in img. So cv2.imread in cv2.imread. Imread what he was reading. He was reading with he was reading img. And what is img? Sorry, img1 I am typing img. So img is a image file, because img stored a image file, my image file path. So imread is only reading your image, and this is very important. This was not reading, he was not reading a image, so there not chance to open your file, open your image. Okay, after typing this, hit enter, and then cv2.imso img, and then img1. So what is this cv2.mc? cv2 you know this. What is cv2? In cv2 also a function imso. What imso is doing? Imso is showing your image. Okay, showing your image, because you want to create a program who open your image automatic with OpenCV. So this function is showing, because this function is very important. He was showing your image. Okay, imso. They are not function print. Okay, so there is no printing function, there is imso function. So what is in there? There are two argument. One argument, their window name, like there you see this OpenCV, you see this is OpenCV. So this is the name of this windows name. So this is img1, and after opening a image, you will upper in title you will see this their name was img1. Okay, and what is this img1? There is img1, because where imso is reading a file, because you want to showing this image with imso. So you will give a argument of your image. So your image reading in img1, because cv2.imread img1 is going there and img1 is going there. Okay, so I hope you little bit nervous, so hopefully sorry for this. So after you doing this cv2 dot first I will also say this you practice it, man, because you don't practice, you have not chance to learn this type of things, because you want to learn all things, and this type of things, OpenCV and face recognition system and many things want to create. Firstly you do it with own go and practice, man. Practice it, because you don't practice you don't practice this type of things like OpenCV, Python, you will never get those type of topics you want to create it, like face recognition system with high. Okay, so you want to do this, please practice it. cv2 dot wait key. So what is this wait key? What is this? So wait key, you want after opening your image, your program is hitting your enter, and after opening your image you want to do is closing, and you want to close with keyboard. So this function is closing with keyboard. Wait and capital K EY argument is 0. 0 is means nothing. You will type any keyboard letter, this program is closed. But not there, because there also needed one function. And what is the function? cp2 dot destroy all windows. And this function will do what it will do. This function will do, after you hear wait keys, after you hit any key of your keyboard, then this program is running cp2 destroy. And he was what he was doing, he was destroy your all windows, means not your computer system, he was only destroying program where python is running. Okay, so this is done, we are done. Okay, so now run this program. Can he is running. You also run with f5 run module, and you also run with f5. So I will hit a f5, and he was saying save it. Okay, I will save it, and boom, this image was showing automatic. So I hope guys you know that what is OpenCV. And OpenCV is a image analysis and video analysis Python module. So it is very professional. You learn completely. I think you get a very better job. Like, okay, so I hope guys you like this video. I hope guys will like this my explanation. Okay, so please subscribe our channel, please. You want to learn more machine learning, artificial intelligence, and I also improve my speaking skills with you. I also improve my teaching skill. Okay, so please subscribe our channel, please. And you want to learn OpenCV full, then please subscribe, because this is the first tutorial. Okay, so and please practice it, man. You don't practice, you don't know about this type of things, what he was running. You practice it, you automatic capture it, what is this and what is this. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, please subscribe our channel. And also this program is open, hit any keyboard, hit any letter on keyboard, this program is closing automatic. So I am hitting keyboard and this program is closed. So thanks for watching guys. I hope guys you like this video. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel. And okay, what I will think. Okay, so goodbye guys, have a nice day.